Assalamualaikum and good day to all. So I would like to present the fun project kit for beginners. So this is the coding. Okay, so about the coding. So the first coding is about to set customer to 0 and set servo to position to 0 degree. Okay, the next is forever will show number customer at a microbit LCD. Okay, next is forever if button A is pressed, then green LCD and change customer by 1. Okay, next is IR sensor change customer by -1 if the customer step on this IR sensor. Okay, next is customer by less than 4 LED will green or red color. Next is the movement of servo, even is 0 or 90 degree if customer is more than 5. Okay, so this is the project, the real project. So I made this project from cardboard. Okay, so inside the box we have Adobe. Okay, we use Adobe system, which is use the microbit microprocessor as microprocessor. So here we got a IR sensor, we got a button, okay, push button. Okay, next we have a servo here. This is a servo, the servo, and also we have the traffic light LED. That's the traffic light LED, red, green, yellow. Okay, for simulation, I will demonstrate the simulation. So how this project work. Okay, first customer when the early morning customer come into the shop. Okay, so the green color of LED. Okay, so customer can come into the shop. So when customer go inside, he will step on the button, and when he step on button, so the count of the customer inside the shop, okay, will shown in the LCD. Next, when customer equal to 5, which is a maximum. Okay, maximum customer inside the shop, so the crossbar will close and the traffic light will show the red color. And then when customer go out from the shop, he will step on the IR sensor, then the LCD will count as a -1 as 4, and the next customer will come inside into the shop. Okay, that's for all. Thank you.